The tariff war is back in the headlines, and so is Donald Trump. This time, the US president is dialing down the drama. He says he wants to be very nice to China. He's promising a substantial cut to his sky-high 245% tariffs. But across the Pacific, Beijing isn't buying it. In fact, Trump dropped another bombshell. He claimed he spoke directly with President Xi Jinping about tariffs. The Chinese side has not confirmed the call. It started with Trump telling reporters that US would ease tariffs on Chinese goods, a dramatic pivot from months of economic aggression. He claimed talks with top Chinese officials were happening every day. He even promised not to bring up COVID origins at the table.
For many, many years, the United States has been ripped off like no country probably in the history of the world has been ripped off for 45, 50 years. And countries have gone rich by doing that with the United States. We've taken care of their militaries, and military is another subject we talk about. We're not going to make that subject to any of the deals, but you know the same countries that I do where we virtually take care of their military and then don't get treated fairly on trade. So the people, and I don't blame those countries, I blame the people that sat at that beautiful desk right behind you.
Trump's tone shift came after private meetings with retail giants like Walmart, Target, Home Depot, all alarmed by inflation, recession warnings, and Wall Street turmoil. But China has flatly denied any back-channel talks, calling Trump's claims fake news. They say there has been no negotiation, no meetings, no talks.
部的同事已经明确回答了这个问题，中美双方并没有就关税问题进行磋商或谈判，美方不要混淆视听。
Beijing says if you want talks, first cancel all tariffs. The message is clear. The bell ringer must untie the bell. Top Chinese experts say Trump is flustered and playing to a domestic audience. Xi Jinping, meanwhile, is in no hurry. Chinese social media mocked Trump as chickening out, a hashtag viewed over 150 million times. Both economies are hurting. The IMF has slashed global growth forecasts. Markets are rattled. Supply chains are strained. Quietly, Beijing is making moves. It's begun exempting some US imports, semiconductors, aircraft parts, even medical gear. Not an olive branch, but a survival tactic. Multiple import agencies in China confirmed that 125% retaliatory tariffs were quietly waived on key tech items. Microchips, jet engines, vaccines, all back in zero duty. Even the LEAP engines used in China's flagship aircraft are now exempt. Behind closed doors, Beijing is asking companies what they can't live without. China is still filing WTO complaints, still restricting rare earth imports, but it's also rolling back tariffs on things it needs, especially from the US.